can respect that. I mean, anybody could respect that, right? I mean, there's a lot of people out there trading, all kinds of stuff. I mean, I don't subscribe to the things that they do, but they're making money with it, so who am I to say it doesn't work, right? And I can understand the passion that would lead one to pursue an endeavor that says, I didn't listen to what you told me to do, and I still was able to do this. Okay, great. But are you seeing the results that would indicate that you're doing the right things and that you should keep doing what you're doing? Or is resetting and resetting and resetting and resetting and spending money, still not listening, still not doing the things that you're supposed to be doing? Is that really the better way of doing it? Is that the best direction? I would argue that it isn't. But I have to hold very loosely these boys of mine. Because if I say the wrong things, I'll turn their interest completely off. And that's what I'm trying to avoid. I'm trying to keep this little ember burning. And hopefully it'll turn into this wildfire that nobody can put out. And they'll be better than I am.
All right, folks, we are here. If you can hear me, give me an audio check if my voice is clear. I think I'm clear. Let's begin by saying Now we're going to start just doing a little setting. Yep, we are now good to go. As I told you, I'm expecting bullish prices. Let me just start by saying my current bias, what I'm expecting. Expecting bullish prices. Yeah, I'm clear now. Now I want to now start officially the live stream. I want to officially start the live stream. You've seen a lot of consolidation there in the hourly. See there in the euro we were taken out, no hiding anything. Actually the first loss in the month. Now as you can see, I was just looking at that hourly order block. As you can see, that's what I'm actually looking at. Let me show you there. This is the Euro USD DXY. I'm gonna delete everything, but my long-term analysis was bullish. Let me delete everything and now check where I was wrong and where I was right. Now I think we are now good to start the live stream officially. As I was saying, no. Okay, expecting bullish prices. Let me mark the 4-hour buy side liquidity. You see what we're gonna work with during the session. During this session, what we're going to work with bullish prices as my long-term analysis, but we see that the buy side liquidity, buy side liquidity. I want to see price coming to there. How many pips are those? A little bit small, but yeah, price will actually that one also is the buy side liquidity. Is there a stop run? It might be one. Let's see it. You see how price is consolidating in this fair value gap here. That's what I was wanting to see, the attention. The same fair value gap, and also price has swept a buy side liquidity in the 15-minute time frame during the New York session above the midnight opening price, and you see these sell stops are not taken out. You see that low is at 34,556. They are relatively equal lows that price might actually want to come and see. You see price exactly did it, and also this price has swept a swing high. So let's see, it has, let's look in the hourly. If you see something, it's still sluggish in the hourly. It has not yet taken out this sell side liquidity, but it's not closing in this hourly order block. You see, we're expecting prices to go here. This price has swept a sell side liquidity, and I want to confirm it by a market structure shift here. If it has a market structure shift here, or even that one is also a market structure shift. This one also, it's also in the 5-minute time frame, and we are above the midnight opening price. You see how those things align. So, and those prices also want to come to these sell side liquidity. These and these are regulative. So if you are that aggressive trader, you might want to see price coming there. But let's watch it. From 7, that buy side liquidity. This is how nice price came and swept that buy side liquidity. Then this was a sell side liquidity taken out, so it's a market structure shift. No, came there. No, this is the market structure. This was the swing high, this is the swing low, and this is the fair value gap. Price comes to it. Nope, let's use this one. Okay, price will actually want to decline to this sell side liquidity, this sell side liquidity at the moment now. You see, let me show you. You see that is the next level where you want to see price coming to, but it's not a good entry. It can take us out, but what I'm generally expecting, it's bullish price. But these are just those 1 minute buy side going to buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. You see that? Okay, yes, price is going against me, but my higher time frame analysis, I'm bullish. Hope check 1 2, check 1 2, check. I hope I'm clear. Now this is where price will go next, because these are relatively equal lows. Let's see what price does to them. And also, this is not an A+ setup, because you have seen that price has disrespected this fair value gap, so we might want to wait. Those 10 pip run. or less than 5 pip run. Yeah, you see. Yes, it will take a long time for price to go there at the long run. But I don't want to see it coming to take out this high before it has taken out this low. It should take out this low first, then rally up. Then the next thing, if we are really going to go low, I'll want to see a market structure shift, a good market structure shift in the 5 minute. But these are those entries that I don't want to enter, but you see those consolidation that you just read price from up and down, up and down. This is what I'm actually trying to do. Hence I'm putting this sign because anybody who pops up in the live will know that yeah, these people are looking for going to this sell side liquidity, and even much more to the midnight open, but I'll not be comfortable looking at that. But I'll do this for precision element. You see that fair value gap, this fair value gap has not been taken out, and also this is a swing low, you see it, and also that other block price just to close around it. Now that 3 minute fair value gap, let it be rebalanced, then we continue with that move. Let's look for more insight in the euro. The euro is actually declining. But my all-time bias is bullish. See those sell side liquidity, price will want to rally down those to this sell side liquidity in the euro. See that those want to see price rallying down to the sell side liquidity. It might not, because it hasn't rebalanced nicely in any good fair value gap. Though it has disrespected that other block. Sell side liquidity. It's not yet clear, but we are waiting for, we're waiting for 10 a.m. Let me put it around here so that anybody who joins the live will be aware. We're waiting for, let me add the screen, just a minute. Okay, let's now look at the economic calendar. Today we have ISM Manufacturing PMI at 10, and currently we are at 741. So we will want to wait, or actually do those live stream and wait until 10. I'm actually not going to close the live stream. We're just going to wait for 10. If that 10 reaches 10 a.m., we'll actually want to come and trade during those news. These are around that area. But if you see something, I'll still communicate. I'm still watching price. We just have to sit and wait. These are the times that you as a trader, you'll want to sit and wait for the live stream. No wait for the market to give you what it wants. We have ISM PMI numbers, so in the next 2 hours or so, yeah, we will be around, but we'll keep watching price. And yeah, we are actually expecting bullish prices. That is for my take. We are actually expecting bullish prices. We are actually expecting bullish prices, and yep. I told you I wasn't taking that entry, but we are still expecting more bullish prices. I deleted everything. So when this trade goes against me, I'll just actually leave it and see. But I'm expecting bearish prices. So I said it, bullish price, but there you see this, if price disrespect this, it's okay. Not a trade that I made. I just wanted to see if this price will move 10 pips to this. But anyway, what I'm expecting, I'm not saying that to change my bias, but I'm doing this because I'm just letting you my true bias. If price is going to go up, I don't want to see closing around that order block. So it may come a week maybe, but I want to see this price has stayed so long in that area. But let's see what it does. But what I want to see is bullish prices. Let's keep on watching price and enjoy. You see that those are entries that when price has moved down, you just want to put your stop loss there or put it to break even, or when it has just a little profit to get it out, because it already told you I'm not going to go far. I might go because I'm doing this. I might go, but I might not go. Yep, that other block is around to see price touching, then continue to rally up higher. You're buying and selling at the same time. Nope. Just telling you the real possibility. See if true institutional buyers buying. Lucky folded that. But my bias is bullish. Let me put a long-term thing here. I don't want to see price coming below there. I want to say, let me put it there. Or maybe we're going to wait for 8:30. After 8:30, we buy below the 8:30 open. Yep, we are also going to wait for the 8:30 open. That's also some signs that if you want to buy, we're gonna wait for the 8:30 open. After waiting for the 8:30 open, we buy below it, then boom, we actually continue to rally up higher. But let's wait. But we're also going to consider the 8:30 open. Let's actually watch it. we are actually taken out in our this trade. It has taken us out. See that consolidation. Our price hit that order block, then started to rally up high. Is it this order block here? Hit it, then yeah, I'm seeing this another block, and the price is not even close to inside it, but just taken a long time. Anybody was also selling here, price has taken him out. Let's see. You see how price is also tricky here. This is inside that fair value gap here. You see it has dissipated that fair value gap, but I want to see price to continue rolling up higher. This is 6 pips 50. I'll actually put that as an early entry there. No, I'll put it. We're waiting for the 830. Yeah, that's there, and then it was in that other block. Now that other block, price has disrespected that level gap. Now let's see if price will continue to rally up high and higher. Check. I'm back. Chat. Let's engage. Okay, I'm back now. Took a trade during the Asian session. Let's see what price level was that. Hello internet. In my area, I have a very low internet in my area, but let's see if let me write the levels down so that you can see your trade idea and analyze it. So you took a level association. So price level of 1.34551. The stop loss is a 1.34485 and your TP is at 1.35000. That's great. Take profit. Now let's see in during the Asian session. This take profit around this level. That's great. Stop loss at 1.3448. Yeah, we are in the same trade, and we are 34,551, 34. Yep, this guy is a real G. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you are very correct. Stop loss there and take profit. Yep, I'm also anticipating. Yeah, that's also a trade idea. So meaning we are in the same trade. I'm really experiencing very low internet. Yeah, I'm really experiencing very low internet. I'm sorry for that. See that consolidation there, that consolidation, that one will, as long as price hasn't gone, as long as price hasn't gone to our against our stop loss, we will still continue being a buyer. As long as price has not gone to a stop loss, we're actually having internet problems. I'm really sorry for that, but bear with me. I'm having internet problems where I stay. Wish I had a good place, but we're gonna do that soon enough. I'm gonna see if we're gonna move to another town and get maybe a Starlink or anything, so that we can have unlimited interaction when it comes to trading. But also remember one thing. That if price reaches 30 pips, we are out of the trade. If price reaches 30 pips, we are out of the trade. Like we take out something like a portion. Let's mark it. Oh, this is 20. Yeah, if price reaches 30 pips, we're taking out something. That's usually our general rule. Yep. I'm sorry for the bad internet. Kindly bear with me. My internet is terrible, and I'll actually want to try and move some other places where I can get flawless internet. Five minutes waiting for the 8:30 open. Actually, my stop loss should be below that low. I don't know why I've put it there. Yeah, it should be below that low. Sorry for the internet. Yeah, let's continue. But I apologize for the internet. Let's keep on watching price and anticipate of where the price action will go. But all in all, we're waiting for that 10 a.m. news and see if will it send prices more higher or what is it gonna do. It's actually 8:30. I'm going to see some decline lower a bit. We'll want to see some still picking bullish prices, but we're going to see price declining to a certain low, taking out a sell stop, and maybe to continue rolling up higher and higher, or maybe continue rolling up higher from now on. What's your view? Check 1, 2. Hope I think I'm audible enough. Check 1, 2. Now what I want to see that price consolidating, but I want to wait for the I want to see price continue rolling up high to that buy side liquidity that I marked, and even price might actually do a late session thing, like going on to the London session, but we will end this live at 11. Yeah, at 11:10. These and these. Those basically gives you want to see price rolling up until. Let's keep on watching price. What's happening there? Okay, I'll put it in these lower time frames. You see? Let's put in the hour 1 minute. Let's lock them first. All then there is no any rallying inside a fair value gap. You see that the reason I might also be in a correct. We might be in a correct bias. See this. This is another block which price has not run, but as I told you, let's put the 830 open. Let's mark the 830. That's the 830. This is 830. Now if you want to buy, obviously we're in a correct bias. If you want to buy, you see this will trick anybody who wants to buy now. But if you want to buy below this, if you're wrong, price will actually come to around any fair value gap or any swing low. This swing low maybe. Yeah, it can come to this swing low. You'll want to buy below this 830 open. But at the level of 1.35000, that's a sure bet price will actually reach there. But I don't want to see it's more bullish price. Either way we're bullish. Let's put it you see, it wants to go down below the 830, then boom, rally up. Now let's watch it. If I open my stop loss, I'll open my stop loss to a significant place where I don't want to see price rallying onto. Maybe putting at the midnight open. You see, this might be a significant low. Price comes sweep it this low, then sweeps it, then rally up higher. But this other block, I don't want to see price coming. you're doing the bad thing, opening your stop loss. Yeah, if you can read price, you can do that, but no exception. Let's see if price will actually respect this order block. So this is the safest entry. Okay, the safest entry was around there. Another one which price might actually decline to this sell side liquidity, but I don't want to see price coming below this order block. This order block, I don't want to see price coming below this order block. So now let's be patient and see what price does. I want to see it coming around that midnight open, but I want to see it below this. But I want to see it below the midnight opening, the 8:30 opening, below this one. But I want to see it never end coming here to this stop loss of ours. Let's continue watching price, and yep, if price is around our stop loss, I'll now come and now do some yap. Now you see that decline to now price below the midnight open. So here you will want to see price now scaring people who were not aware that price is actually by this now continue. I don't want to see this order block. Price is actually before it went below the 8:30 open. I said it, I want to see it going below. You have seen it doing that nicely. We are below it. Now you want to see to look for a, you want to decline and look for a support or a sell side liquidity to take it out, then boom, rally with it up. But this decline, I'm expecting it because we are below the 8:30 open. If it takes us out, I'll now enter another one, knowing that that's the A plus setup. If this price takes me out, the next entry I'll know that that's the A plus one because it's below the 8:30 open and there's so much bullish, and I don't want to see price coming to this order block. And I can also remember earlier I told you this fair value gap, it's a suspect. It's a suspect, that fair value gap, it's a one suspect that see that. I don't want to see price coming below there, but I want to see that these sell stops can be taken out. Price can actually come and test that fair value gap, then boom. Let's watch it. Price is below the midnight opening, the 8:30, not the midnight. You see that if you want to be an early buy, you can buy another one again there, then boom, you now start the journey because you have entered in the lowest risk high reward place below the 8:30 open. You see I marked it and I wanted price to go below there, and you've seen how price has actually gone below it, then boom, that massive buy off. That's not coincidence, that's precision. And you see price is just rallying up and up. It's not random, guys, it's precision. You see there below the 13, then that boom, that rally up higher. You see price that can continue and make price to go much higher and higher to this base at liquidity. But let's wait it. I told you, waiting for the 30 open. That's if you are in the New York session. So price goes below it, then don't be afraid, and boom, rally up higher. Just as I said, there is nothing to be afraid of. So yeah, let's keep on watching price. It can actually go down again, but I don't want to see it around my stop loss. That pump higher, that signifies that yeah, we are correct. Even if price goes below here, it just tells us that yeah, we are correct. And you will want to like, the stream, guys. Like the stream. Yep, told you, don't be afraid. Even if price will reach here, that's not something to be afraid. In fact, that's something to be happy, because we are below something here during the New York. I don't see price coming there. Even if price takes us out, now I'll know that's a high reward, low risk, high reward trade. We're actually going to sit here until 11, because the past week you saw price action was actually moving during the London close massively. Just upon me ending the live, boom, price rallies like no other business. My oh my. Just have to sit on your hands and wait for 10, but price will actually move. Me the live chat. If you can really hear me, I'm experiencing very, very low internet. Can you hear me? You see how price is playing around the midnight, the 8:30 open, below it, then keeps on rallying up higher. That's